If I were to cook for some friends gathering for a little private lunch or dinner, beachside gathering, then I'm going to serve up a quiche. And what better quiche than the OG Quiche Lorraine? Of course, I've given it a little bit of a tweak. So we're going to soften some leek in some butter and olive oil before adding garlic and good quality bacon that I have finely diced. Then we're going to work smarter, not harder with the pastry. You can make your own short crust pastry. You could use short crust. But I am using the Carême spelt puff pastry. So we are going to line the tin, trim off any excess pastry that's hanging over and blind bake it with some chickpeas, beans, or beaded weights, whatever you like to use. And while that is in the oven blind baking, we are going to whisk some eggs, cream, salt, pepper, and some fresh thyme leaves. Set it aside. And I'm using some Gruyere cheese that I have shredded. So then we're going to add the filling into the pastry. I'm going to add the shredded cheese. We're going to finally pour that cream and egg mixture over the top. Bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes until it is beautifully golden. Let it sit for a little bit. Don't get too excited and slice it straight away because it will just run everywhere. And that is it. This with a simple lettuce salad, something fresh. You will love it. I feel like a quiche is so underrated. Maybe because we had some pretty nasty ones in cafes, but I guarantee you homemade quiche is the way to go.